Hello Bachawadi. Welcome to this channel and today we are going to start our further lecture of Standard 6 Chapter 5 Separation of Substance. Before go further, let's recall what we have studied in the previous lecture. So we had completed that introduction part, means what? That why we need that separation of a substance. Clear? After that we had understand the many of the method by which we can separate the substance, like hand picking method, threshing, winnowing, sedimentation, decantation, filtration, sieving, then evaporation, condensation, and even that we had also taken one example that for separating one substance, is it possible to use many of the method? So we had also completed that portion also. Even that we had completed from your NCRT many of the activities also. If you had not seen the lecture, go in the playlist and watch the lecture. Now, what we had discussing in the previous lecture, we are discussing about that suppose that we have one substance and we have also the water. Now we are adding this substance like salt or sugar. Okay, so we are adding the salt in the particular water, mix it. Clear? After once again we are taking one spoon of salt and stir it once again. Then once again at a time we are gonna mix it. But at one time or after some time, when we observe on that time what we are seeing, yes bacha party, the salt particles are settled down. Why? What's the reason behind of that? Salt is a dissolved in water, so why they are not going to be dissolved in the water? Salt dissolve हो जाना चाहिए ना, लेकिन अब तक हो रहा है, लास्ट में क्यों रुक गया? And one thing is that we prepared that salt and water is known as a solution. In the previous class, we had also studied about the solution. That let's recall what is the solution. That a solution. This is the short form of solution. Clear? A solution is prepared by dissolving a substance. Clear? Substance means we can say that salt, sugar, and any of the things which can be dissolved in any other substance. Clear? Is in a liquid dissolved substance is called solute. Clear? Suppose we have one liquid, that water, and if you want to dissolve that sugar, or we can say the salt. Clear? You can take any other example through which you can dissolve the water. वाटर के अंदर डिजोल्व हो जाए, ऐसा कुछ एग्जांपल ले सकते हो. Even that you can take another example rather than the water and the salt. Clear? So the salt is known as what? Yes bacha party, it's a solute because it is less amount of substance. The substance which is less in amount, we can say it as solute. Clear? While the liquid in which it is dissolved, through which we are dissolving the solute in the particular liquid, that liquid is known as a solvent. Example is a sugar in water and salt in water. Clear? So this is the definition of a solution, or we can say define as a solution. Clear? You can write it in your own way, but this is the perfect way you can write it in your notebook. Then we will discuss furthermore. Clear bachawadi? So, suppose hope that you will write this or take a screenshot. Now, that we are discussing about what? Yes, bacha mate. We are discussing about the solution. That in the particular salt and the water solution, when we add the salt, particularly one limit. After that limit, the salt is settled down. मतलब कि अगर ये आपका कप है, clear? And this is your water. आप salt डालते ही जा रहे हो. At one time, the salt is going to be settled down. Why? The question is that why the salt is settled down? Salt is a soluble substance. Then why it is settled down? Yeah. So it means what? That it's their limit point. That if you are eating at your home in the lunch time, breakfast or dinner time, when you are eating, one plate you had eaten, two plate, many more than three plate. After that, is it possible to eat the substance? क्या आप खा सकते हो? आपके दांत और मुंह और पेट किस लिए? खाने के लिए. Even that you are not eating. Why? Sir, capacity complete हो गई. Now our capacity is completed to eat the substance. Same thing is happened to the water and the salt solution. बच्चा पार्टी है ना, हर चीज में है साइंस. Clear? So when the salt, or you can say the sugar, is not going to be dissolved in water, at that time the solution is known as what? Saturated solution. Yes, bacha party, what you had heard? Saturated solutions. What is saturated solution? The solution in which no dissolve at all. वहां पे कुछ भी डिजोल्व अभी नहीं होगा, वो क्या होगा आपके लिए? Saturated solution. Sir, I have one question. What? Okay, so you are thinking that sir, in the previous example we had taken the salt and the sand. Clear? So if I have more amount of salt in the sand and I had taken the half cup of water, so it may be settled down the salt. Yes, ऐसा possibility है कि वो settle हो जाएगा. So we are not getting the salt and the sand separately. So what can I do? After that they are thinking, yes bacha buddy, you are thinking correctly that with you can use more water also, but हर चीज के दो पहलू होते हैं. Clear? So there is two possibility. You can use more water. Clear? In the what? Salt and sand mixture. You can use the more water. And suppose that you don't have water more, you have just a half cup of water available. So what you can do now? Okay, so you can use that temperature. Yes bacha bati, when you preparing the lemon juice, तो आप चाशनी बनाते हो ना, गोला और खाते हो मस्त. Clear? So on that time they are preparing with the use of a temperature, with the use of gas, or you can say the burner. Clear? So when we heat the solution means what? The mixture of a solute and the solvent. Yes, this is also the one type of defined. The mixture of a solute and the solvent is known as a solution. Clear? So when we obtain the solution in which we want to add some more amount of a solute, so what we can do? We have two options: adding more water, or we can do it at the temperature. At the temperature means what? We can heat that solution, so we can find, or we can get the little bit more amount of solute to dissolve in it. हमें इतनी, जब ये गर्म होगा तो हमें इतना मिल जाएगा कि हम थोड़ा और अंदर ऐड कर सकेंगे. क्लियर? सो आफ्टर दैट, सर, after we cool down that particular solution, when we heat, after that we can cool down. Is it that substance is already mixed and not going to be appear? No, bacha bati. This is one of the drawbacks over here, that what after cooled the solution, the solute can be appear and settle down. After cool down the solution, the solid going to be appear, जादू हो जाएगा आपके लिए, फिर से आ जाएंगे. Clear? So for more convenient, adding the more water is also good, but if we have we don't have enough water, so we can use it this way also. Clear बच्चा बाटे? Okay. So I had speak about the one thing that saturated solution is what. So let's write in the defined form. Clear? Yes. Saturated solution. A solution in which, clear, a solution in which no more substance, or we can say the soluble substance. Clear? Soluble substance can be dissolved at room temperature or at a given temperature is called saturated. Okay, bachcha bhati. So this is our saturated solution defined. Clear? So here we had completed that limitation of a solubility of a solid in liquid. Clear? So when the solid and the liquid are going to mix, it prepare what? Yes, we prepared solution. So this is complete. After that, limitation means what? This is when there is a limitation is come of a mixturing of solid and liquid. It means what? Yes, bachao. It's a saturated solution. Clear? Also completed the activity 8 and activity 9, bachao. Clear? And the activity last and final that we had completed. So here we are resting our chapter. Clear? Write it in your book so you can help in the exam also. This can be help in the exam or when you are reading the chapter. It on that time it can to be help to you. Clear? If you are watching the better example with the easier concept, you are with the Sufyan sir. Till then, do whatever you want to do, man, but don't trouble your parents. Goodbye.